Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm using Bondcraftor resin. It was 90.5 just now when I took my thermometer out. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 2 layers. Okay, I think I got all the bubbles brought to the top. We can torch that off. We're gonna add a little bit of color here in a second, but we're using Eder Art pigment drops. There's a bubble, see that? You want 2 full drops. 1, 2. Now we're gonna mix that up. Okay, I think we're good. We're gonna get this in the piping bag. We're gonna go with Forget Me Not by Deco Rom. Lemon Yellow by Let's Resin. I might add a pear by Let's Resin. There we go. Okay, let's blow that off and torch it. We're gonna twist this and tie it up. Everyone has different techniques of how they like to do things. I like to have mine like this, so I can control what I'm doing. But you do what is comfortable for you. I'm just here to help give advice on how I do things, and if you like, and want to try to do it that way, it gives you an option. Okay, we're gonna cut the end off this piping bag. I think my hands are sticky. I need to clean them off real quick. So let me clean off my fingers. Okay, now let's see how thick that stream is of resin. Okay, I could have went a tad bigger, and I think I will cut it a little bigger. Just a tiny bit. Barely cut the end off. Literally, that much is what I cut off. I'm shaking so bad. I didn't make it very thick. I wanted it a little thicker than that. Okay, that's all we're doing. That's it. I better add a little more on this side because it seems like that's how that is. Okay, get our little toothpick. I'm gonna curl, goodness, I'm shaking. I'm gonna curl this around, kind of like that. Bring my edges in just a hair. also going to point them out a little bit. Goodness gracious. Oh. God, I'm not a surgeon. You know what I mean? Oh. Okay, did I get them all? Okay, I think I got them all. So I'll let that cure up. And then we'll come back and do another layer. All right, guys. I'll see you in a little while. Bye. Okay, guys, this is cured enough to get it back on it. Okay. Get your bubbles brought to the top. Okay, we'll get in some more of the forget-me-not. And some more of the pear, because it was bright. Mix that up a little bit. I might use a little more. The pear. Then I'm gonna run the sides together. Okay. Now let's get our white mixed up. I'm using Eder Art again. 2 drops in this 20 grams. 1, 2. Wouldn't it stink if I just dropped it right in there? I'd be like, no, what a mess that would be. Blow this off and torch it. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, these can be a little bigger because they're the back petals. So I'm going with that. I could still do something in the middle. It really doesn't matter. But you won't see this anyway. Whoops. I'd say I made it plenty big. I do wish I would have added a little more or different colors. You know, as I'm looking at it, I don't know, we're gonna have to see when I turn it over. But I just did what I did on the first layer. I just pulled those in. And if you can't see very well, I'm sorry. I was thinking about it earlier. Usually I film on the other side of the table. So my left hand isn't blocking it because I'm left-handed. So I'll make sure I do my blooms over there for sure. I just had something over there and I wanted to start this. Okay, am I good? Okay, guys, I am going to put a black back on this, probably off camera. So I will see you in a little while. Bye. All right, guys, let's check this out. Oh, I hope it looks good. All right, are we ready? Beautiful. That's so pretty. That's beautiful. I love it. I wish the colors were, I wish I would use different colors, but I still love it, and I think it's gorgeous. So I'm very happy with it. Nice. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a super amazing day. Thanks for watching. Bye.